Okay, well, welcome to Module 1. This module is kind of a dual, since it's the first module, it's kind of a dual purpose module. The first week of the module is really dedicated to getting all of the administrative tasks out of the way. So you've got your syllabus, your course schedule, understanding what all of the recurring assignments will be throughout the course, and the syllabus quiz. So that's kind of what I've reserved for the first week. The second week we will, begin launching into the actual material for the course. So you'll have your readings in both the Larson text and as well as some selections from the PMBOK. I've got some a video lecture available. I've got another video available that I'd like you to watch. And then at the end of the second week, you'll have several things due: the Learn Smart for Chapter 1, the Chapter 1 quiz, and your discussion board. So those are the activities that we'll be doing in the first couple of weeks. So I wanted to just kind of go over that with you. When you get into Module 1, you'll notice that there's a overview and checklist. Obviously, just click on those and open them up. You can download the PDF if you'd like to print it, that kind of thing. It's also available right there. But again, just some of the same things about Module 1 and, the readings, the videos, navigating the course, all those things. So if you could, please watch all the videos there so that you understand, and that they shouldn't take you too long. I wanted to just point out a couple things. So your readings also in here, a couple of items I'd like you to look over. The module readings, again, a little bit more detail in here about what I'm asking you to look at in the PMBOK, very specific sections in the PMBOK. And I'm trying to just cut down on the amount of reading that you have to do for the course by giving you very specific selections in the PMBOK. Plus, a lot of times it can get pretty dense, so I want to just point you to the right places. I'm also going to be providing a chapter outline to you about the reading topics, so that kind of hopefully will help you focus on what it is that's important. Okay, so going back to the breadcrumbs at the top here, Module 1, the videos. In the video folder, obviously, when you first open up these video folders for all of the modules, what you're going to find is these videos are really administrative type videos, so about the course for this particular module, and that's really what you're going to find in this video section as soon as you open it up. So these are all administrative type videos that I'd like you to look at. The content for the course, the material that I want you to learn through the course, is going to be inside another folder in that video folder. So if you click on that, Module Resources and Chapter Presentations, there's the video lecture. Here's the other video that I'd like you to watch. I do put the times so you can, plan accordingly. And the problem is, one thing to understand, when you click into that second folder, it takes you out of the module. So I'm no longer in the module. If you look up here, it says Module and Chapter Presentations. If I'm using the breadcrumbs, this is going to actually navigate to this link, Course Resources. And I'm going to explain why I did it this way in a second. But in order to get back to the module, I'm simply going to just click back on my web browser. And that'll take me to the folder I was previously in, obviously. Okay, so just understand that the content, the material content that I want you to learn is going to be within this second folder in the video folder of the module. And any administrative stuff will be initially right there when you click in. So when I click on this, it takes me to, again, Course Resources, the Course Resources link section of the Blackboard site. And the reason I did that is because later on in the chapter, or later on in the course, you'll see the modules will open up and you'll have 7 modules at the end of the course here. But I wanted to put all of the content, the material content for the course in one location. That way, if you're in Module 4 and you're thinking about something that you might have seen in Module 2, it's all in one location. You don't have to go flipping through modules to find the actual content, the material content. So that's the reason it's all going to be in one place. That's the reason you've got to do that extra click once you go into the video section. So going back to the modules, into Module 1, and as more modules become available, obviously you will see them here. And modules will become available usually the Friday before the modules scheduled to be open. So you've got the modules. I also have this laid out so that it has the dates of due dates, but please make sure that you do refer to your course syllabus, your course schedule for the due dates, because those are going to be the ones that are accurate. These should be accurate, but if there's a mistake here, the course schedule is the one that takes precedent over anything. Syllabus quiz here, obviously the syllabus quiz is going to be taken on the Connect site, so you can log in by clicking that link. You can also log into Connect by clicking this link on the left in your menu navigation. Instructions, please read all of the instructions for all of the recurring assignments, as well as there is one unique assignment in this module that will be due on Saturday the 23rd, and that is your discussion board post. So please read all of the assignment instructions pages. Those will also be available under course resources. If you click on that link, here's all the instructions for the recurring. This is the one that is unique for Module 1. And then of course there's the module and chapter presentations that we already looked at. So before you take your syllabus quiz, you need to read all of these, because there will be information on your syllabus quiz about those as well. So just a heads up. And back to Module 1, if we a little bit on the content of the material, we're going to be looking at an overview of project management, what has been changing and what kind of forces have been causing project management to become more and more prevalent across companies and various industries. And then of course you've got your Learn Smart assignment for Chapter 1 and your Chapter 1 quiz, as well as your introduction video. Those would be the assignments that will be due in the first 2 weeks. And like I said, if you get an opportunity to get a jump start on Module 2, I should have that open for you very soon. Actually, probably before, I would say, let's see, it's probably going to be open on the Friday before the 23rd, but on Connect, the Learn Smart assignments should be available to you right now. So take a look at your course schedule, find out what readings you've got, and you can get a jump start on the next module. So that's it for the introduction, and I hope you all enjoy the course, and I hope you enjoy Module 1.